The University of Denver has done what some think is impossible with its ambitious solar program.
No capital expense up front, no operating cost, no cost to maintain the systems over a 20-year period. So it's ideal for us. It's simply a utility cost that we have to pay. The best part of all of it is the utility cost for the solar production is less than what we pay for electricity off the grid. So it is a win-win. We're actually saving money and utilizing renewable energy here on campus. We'll offset 100% of our electricity emissions here on campus.
Today, we're visiting the University of Denver campus with their Director of Sustainability, Utilities, and Facilities to learn more about their futuristic solar installations on campus, their goals, and how they plan to offset all of their energy use. In collaboration with Pivot Energy, the University of Denver has installed solar panels on 18 rooftops across its campus, and we're excited to chat with Lynn Bailey from the university in a bit. These arrays behind me are part of an extensive project portfolio of over 1.157 megawatts of solar power, which, to put into context, could power a few hundred homes for a whole year. From rooftops to modern solar sculptures, the initiative designed to offset a substantial portion of the university electricity consumption and reducing its carbon footprint while promoting environmental responsibility. The projects support the University of Denver's sustainability goals and serve as an educational tool, providing students with real-world insights into renewable energy and its benefits. The innovative solar program at the University of Denver has many institutions looking to them as an example in transitioning to cleaner energy sources. Before we discuss how the University of Denver achieved offsetting 100% of its electricity with solar, we need to get a better idea of how much of an impact they're already seeing. Hi, I am on the beautiful campus of the University of Denver, and I am here with Lynn Bailey, the Director of Facilities, Energy, and Sustainability here. And I would love to ask you a question as we walk around and I'm seeing these beautiful solar arrays. What made you all decide to utilize solar for your campus sustainability needs?
Well, back in 2019, we didn't have any renewable generation on campus. So we started to explore the opportunity to bring solar to campus. It is one of the key strategies for us working toward carbon neutrality. So yeah, it was a great opportunity to work with Pivot on that.
That's great to hear. I see we've got this beautiful solar tree here. How many total arrays do you guys have on your roofs here?
So we have a total of 18 rooftop arrays producing just over 2 megawatts here on campus. So currently that's about 7% of our overall electricity usage.
That's amazing, and they look great. So I think when a lot of other businesses or universities, they think about investing into solar, it sounds great, but it can seem pretty daunting when it comes to the kind of financial aspects to it. So what made University of Denver decide to go the PPA route in order to fulfill the need they need to do these on-campus projects?
Right, sure. Well, obviously the big challenge is having the capital up front to do the installations. So we looked at that closely. We actually explored doing the project ourselves and installing the project ourselves. So it's not only that, but it's also the long-term maintenance costs for such systems. So the PPA, the Power Purchase Agreement, was the key financial contract model for us. So no capital expense up front, no operating cost, no cost to maintain the systems over a 20-year period. So it was ideal for us. It's simply a utility cost that we have to pay. The best part of all of it is the utility cost for the solar production is less than what we pay for electricity off the grid. So it is a win-win. We're actually saving money and utilizing renewable energy here on campus.
That's great to hear. For those who haven't watched the PPA videos on our channel, PPAs are financial arrangements where a third-party developer owns, operates, and maintains the solar energy system. At the same time, the University of Denver agrees to purchase the power generated at a predetermined rate for a specific period. This setup allows the university to benefit from solar energy without installations and maintenance. To learn more about PPAs and virtual PPAs, watch this video. Beyond PPAs, we also helped the University of Denver secure solar renewable energy certificates, or SRECs, and offsite net metering, also known as virtual net metering. These installations allow the university to benefit from the energy produced via renewable energy certificates entirely off-site, which will help them build the path to achieve their 100% decarbonization goal. More on this later. On our YouTube channel, we often talk about SRECs and net metering and other off-site solutions. What made the University of Denver look at these types of solutions as opposed to others?
Well, we mentioned that we have solar arrays on 18 rooftops here on campus. We've basically run out of space. So we were looking for opportunities to develop solar off campus. And the net metering is really ideal. It allows us to produce energy, renewable energy off campus, and apply that energy directly to our electric bills. So in a lot of ways, it's no different than what we're doing here on site, right? So RECs, renewable energy credits, those are the key. Those are the environmental attributes that we want to own long-term as part of the project. So all in all, what drove us to go off campus with net metering was simply space.
A key aspect of this strategy was retaining 100% of the ownership of the renewable energy certificates, or RECs, generated by the solar portfolio throughout its operational life. If you're new to RECs, know that they represent the environmental, social, and non-power benefits of renewable energy, and owning them allows the university to claim these benefits legally. The ownership directly reduces the campus's carbon footprint by approximately 3.5% to 4%. And if you're new to SRECs, this video will teach you everything you need to know. So can you give us a little feedback on what it's like to have worked with Pivot as your solar provider and to meet your sustainability needs?
Absolutely. So we started our relationship in 2019 with Pivot Energy. And really the key back then was the University of Denver, we didn't have a lot of experience or knowledge of what it would take to install solar on campus. We didn't know what it would look like financially as well. So Pivot was a key partner for us to not only educate myself, but educate leadership here at the university as well. So we kind of worked through the whole process, got everyone really comfortable with what the project would look like, what they would mean financially as well, which we've already talked about. But overall, it was a great relationship from the start. Where we are today is we're actually adding panels to quite a few of our existing rooftop solar arrays now, so we're expanding. That will take us to about 10% of generation here on campus. And again, you know, the project works really well with Pivot because we're not responsible for maintaining anything, operating anything. There's no headaches for us, right? It just works, right? So again, great relationship with Pivot, and we're glad to look at the next projects.
We're great to be able to partner with you guys as well. So you mentioned some expansion to some of the existing array systems. What else is next for University of Denver when it comes to solar?
Well, working with Pivot, we're in the process of developing 6 locations off campus. So some of these are Front Range, some of these are on the western slope, but that's our key focus right now. We want to develop those arrays, those locations, get those systems online. We're looking at about 2 years for that to happen. That will offset 100% of our electricity emissions here on campus. Wow. So that is a key milestone. That is our key strategy to work toward carbon neutrality by 2030. So yeah, that's our focus, and that really moves the bar for our environmental goals here.
Len, I want to thank you again for giving us your time, taking us on this tour of your beautiful campus at the University of Denver, and just let you know we really appreciate your partnership and look forward to working with you more in the future.
Well, thanks for being here. It's a great partnership, and we're looking forward to the future.
At Pivot Energy, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional experiences and supporting our clients every step of the way. When working with the University of Denver, our team of professionals were always ready to answer any questions and guide them through the best ways to implement solar energy projects. From the initial consultation to the installation and ongoing support, we ensured that our expertise aligned perfectly with their sustainability goals. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're ready to go solar, my email and Pivot's website are listed in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.